play tennis?
Not much. My wife does, though.
Okay, then she's the one who can tell you, okay,
Right.
I have the pains here, I have the pains here. What about golf?
Yeah, try to get out a few times a year if I can.
Okay, try and get out a little
Right.
bit more.
Yeah.
You and I both know it's a dangerous disease,
Right.
this golf, more than anything else. But with regard to golf itself, this is a tremendous amount of stress on the body because people think it all is just, here it is, it's a club, you swing. But the body, you're moving from the waist, you're coming up, your musculature is moving, everything is here, and when you come down, your weight is shifting,
Right.
so that everything comes down on hip and knees, and again, that's got to be one of the more, I don't want to say destructive, but one of the more involved sports that we can do as an individual that puts everything in motion and everything we're talking about here, weight load, proper form, more than anything else. If you don't, you're going to be in trouble.
And also, again, the pounding, the miles that people put on with their walking game. But again, also with tennis, these are the sports that people play, again, earlier, mid, sometimes later in life. And so again, if they have compromised joints, they're going to feel those pains as they're going through their twisting motion, especially that leading knee. They're going to feel that discomfort, and they'll be frustrated when their game starts to slip because of their aches and pains. And these are the things that maintain people's quality of life. And when you can't maintain your quality of life, this is the time to start thinking about, should I seek treatment for this?
Do people have to pay a little bit more attention to listening to their body when it comes down into the hip? Because when you have the swinging motion, that's just a little snap, no big deal. But is it not fair to say that overuse of the hip joint itself may have a lot to do with all of the various pains and aches and issues?
Excellent point as well, Ed, but also not neglecting your overall body and maintaining your body to prevent these injuries from occurring in the first place. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, avoiding injuries are going to allow people to take advantage of their bodies as long as they can. And one of the problems is people often neglect it and take their body for granted.